This is Scott the Fix-It Guy to help with a Dynasty stove that's having trouble lighting on the front burner and on the back left burner. So I pulled off the drip tray, and I'm just going to take a small pointy object. I could use a needle, would work, and I'm going to poke in on some little holes that are in front of these gas jet tubes. These gas tubes bring gas from the burner head out through this tube and over to an ignition source to help it light. But these little tiny holes in the burner head get obstructed by corrosion and food particles. So I don't want to make these holes any bigger, but I just want to open them up. So I'm using this little pointy tool to get rid of the corrosion and stuff that's built up in these holes. There's, I think, 8 of these little holes here that help spread the oxygen and gas through this burner tube. And then there's a little spark in the middle that will actually light both of these burners. But if you have slow or no ignition, it could be that those holes are just blocked and no gas is able to get through. So now I'm doing the front burner. So it should be really easy for you. It should just take a couple of minutes. Hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.